After having our first child, postpartum depression hit me hard. I felt like I was the only person in the world going through it. My therapist actually recommended that I start journaling my story. So I set up an old phone and just started talking about things I was experiencing every single day. Made me make sense of even my own emotions, right? So many people resonated with our stories about parenthood, marriage, and mental health. And it's not just me, but other women have come out and spoken about their own struggles. And I love it because by watching my story, it's given them permission to do the same. CapCut has been vital.
The editing, the AI captions, because CapCut is so easy, we could document authentically. My wife will say, I'm thinking of this, and in a flash, we bring it to life with CapCut.
We are so proud of the community that we've built. There's something about human connection when you feel like you're not alone and you feel like you can resonate with people that really just brings joy.